What happens if you spend just 30 seconds on the moon without a spacesuit? Will it explode like we have seen in movies? Will you survive? Please watch to the end of this video to find the answer. Welcome to the Science Journal. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe as we will be publishing videos related to the latest scientific developments around the world. The moon is the only space object visited by man on 20th July 1969 when the Apollo 11 spacecraft landed on its surface.
Okay, I'm going to leave that 1 foot up there and both hands down about the fourth rung up. There you go.
Neil Armstrong became the first man who walked on the moon together with Buzz Aldrin, and they spent only 2.5 hours on the Earth's natural satellite preparation, even though the mission took them several years. All of the astronauts' equipment weighed more than 80 kilograms or about 176 pounds. So, what might have happened if they don't have all this protective equipment? Let's imagine that you are on the moon. You have moon dust under your feet and a black sky with stars overhead, but you have no time to admire the scenery. Unfortunately, there is no air for you to breathe, as the moon has no atmosphere compared to Earth, which is 10 trillion times denser than the moon. In fact, the moon's density can only be compared with the density of the uppermost layers of the Earth's atmosphere, where the International Space Station is located. But there is some good thing. You won't die instantly, but you might pass out from hypoxia, which is the time to use the remaining oxygen in your blood to sustain brain function. The most serious dangers of exposure to outer space are lack of oxygen and ebullition. Ebullition is the formation of bubbles in body fluids due to a reduction in ambient pressure. You will definitely swell up even up to twice your normal size, but won't explode as your skin is very stretchy. Your blood will also not boil, but there will be an immense amount of pain and your blood circulation will get disrupted. Some of you might be thinking, I can hold my breath for minutes, but the situation is little different from Earth. Due to the lack of outside pressure, any remaining air would rapidly expand, rupturing your lungs. It's also extremely cold, but you wouldn't instantly freeze, as a vacuum would cause heat to transfer away from your body very slowly. When you wear a spacesuit, it is filled with air under pressure, and it can provide you with a small atmosphere of your own so that you will not bleed. Despite all the dangers, if you are rescued within 60 seconds, you would probably survive, but you wouldn't be in good shape, but still alive. NASA has introduced a new lunar spacesuit in which the Americans hope to return to the moon, which weighs 91 kilograms or about 200 pounds. Since the gravity of the moon is 6 times weaker than on the Earth, the developers are sure that it will be comfortable to move. The astronauts will not have to jump on the surface of the moon like their predecessors, but they can easily walk with the new suit. It also protects from moon dust and radiation and can last up to 8 hours of moonwalks. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.